Get ready to board.
Yay.
First leg of the trip.
Here we go. There we are on our first flight to Houston. Grab an exit row.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
We are staying the night, just one night, before our cruise tomorrow morning leaves on the Norwegian Pearl.
That's right.
We're so excited to be in South Beach. We wanted to stay down here because we've never been.
Yep. And we've been wanting to go out to Miami for a long time. There's a lot of islands and places we can't get to, which is where we're going on this trip.
Yes, our Eastern Caribbean cruise is starting in Dominican Republic,
Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata, and then we're heading to St. Thomas, St. Martin,
St. Kitts and
St. Kitts and St. Nevis, and then we go to the Great Stirrup Key in the Bahamas, and that's their private island for Norwegian. And then we head back to Miami, but it is a 9-night cruise.
Yep.
We're so excited.
Yep.
So come along and escape with us on the Norwegian Pearl.
We'll show you what we can get up to and see what there is to see.
Come along, escape with us.
Escape. Room tour of room 209 at the Beach Park Hotel. When you walk in, it's a very small room, but it's fine. When you walk in, you've got the sink and counter area, little makeup area, big mirror. You got a hairdryer, of course, on the wall, and bucket of ice, and some drawers and whatnot. And just inside, you've got a small but fine bathroom. You got a decent standard shower, toilet area. And then over here is where we have our robin. And to the left, we got a small table so you can put your stuff on or do some writing or whatever you need to do. We got a phone and a remote and small TV, but fine. Little fake plant. Over here in the closet, got a ironing board and an iron, a few hangers, and a standard hotel safe. Got a chair where we have our luggage stored right now. Some odd artwork, but fine. Got a luggage stand over here, another nightstand. There is very little power in this room. There is no USBs of any kind. You got a wall socket here, and I'm sure there's probably a wall socket somewhere behind this counter where the phone is plugged into. And then across the street, you've got South Beach. A lot of people having a good time.
Ships are sailing out. I can see 2 of them. Look at these big ass pizzas. Yep, we just got the 2 slices there. We just picked up this pizza from the pizza place around the corner that's a slice of pizza. Just a slice. Looks pretty decent, but we're gonna eat it and we're gonna go to bed because we're exhausted. It's cruise day. We're headed out to Forge for some breakfast.
Hotel, the Beach Park Hotel. Yup, Cruise Bay. Here we are having some breakfast before we get on board. We are at Bacon Bitch. You've got your breakfast bitch. Lunch bitch. Dessert stuff, your sweet bitch. And then of course you can't forget the children's menu, the little bitch. And if you want your drinks, of course you got your drunk bitch menu.
Don't forget about the condiments. Spicy bitch, sticky bitch, and ketchup bitch.
I've got this delicious looking chicken and waffles. Got some sunny side of eggs and bacon, some waffles, got some hot honey there. Robin's got a curvy breakfast sandwich with a side of really delicious hash browns.
And bacon bitch.
Very small elevator in the Beach Park Hotel.
Really small and old fashioned. But it's a great place to stay if you want location.
It's a great location, yeah. Great location, great price.
Other than that, probably be a little careful. There's a step up here. Oh wow. Look at the ceiling on this thing. Wow.
We are waiting to board the ship. Got a large room to hold people in until they're ready to board. I'm sure they're still disembarking right now. It's 10:30 or so. It's our call time, and I believe our boarding time is. We're gonna be hanging out for a bit.
We're waiting for our boarding group to call, and they are on group 6, and we are, actually they're group 5, and we're group 7, so should be boarding shortly. Excited to get on board. Pretty nice waiting area they've got in here. It's really cool, even though it's bright and airy, and we're looking forward to boarding the ship. Yay! Here we go. That is us.
That is us. It is time.
Well, we come to the close of our travel day, and next video will be our embarkation day on the Norwegian Pearl. Please be sure to like and subscribe this video, enable notifications if you don't want to miss out, and here's a quick preview of what's upcoming in our next series. Yes, we've escaped.